Hello everyone, this is Imran Pardesi sir and today I will be continuing standard 10th maths first chapter number 2, that is quadratic equations. In quadratic equations today we will see the practice set 2.5, the next question number 3. Just please look at the board what it is all about. So question number 3 is determine the nature of roots of the following quadratic equations. Nature of roots. As I have taught you in the previous session, nature of roots are of three types, right? If delta or b square minus 4ac, that is discriminant, both are same. Delta is equals to b square minus 4ac or b square minus 4ac is equals to delta. Means both are equal. They are same only. If their value will be 0, means b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, then the given quadratic equation will be real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, 0 से ज़्यादा है, so the given quadratic equation will be real and unequal. Okay? If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, 0 से कम है, in negative, okay, in negative number, so the given quadratic equation will be not real because it is negative. Therefore it will be not real. So real and equal, real and unequal, and not real. There are three types of roots of the nature of the roots. Okay. So please look at the board. The question is given to you. First you will copy the question as it is: x square minus 4x plus 4 is equals to 0. Okay. This is in the general form. Yes. So now you will compare it with the general form. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, we get, this is a general form of a quadratic equation. So a is equals to how much here? A is equals to how much? 1. B is equals to how much here? See, it is minus 4. Be careful, it is minus 4. C is equals to how much? 4. Okay, so therefore you can say delta is equals to b square minus 4ac, right? Delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. Discriminant, it is also known as delta. Both are same, right? So you will solve this now. B square means minus 4 square. Sign minus 4 as it is. What is the value of a? 1. What is the value of c? 4. Now you will solve. Square of any negative number is always positive. So 4 square 16 minus 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. So therefore your delta is equals to 0. Now you can say as delta is equals to 0. So the nature of the given quadratic equation is the nature. So the nature of the roots. So the nature of the roots of the given quadratic equation is delta is equals to 0. So it is real and equal. Okay, it is real and equal. I hope you understood. It is very much easy. If the value of delta will be 0, the nature of the given roots will be real and equal. If delta will be greater than 0, it will be real and unequal. If delta is less than 0, 0 से कम होगा, negative होगा, so it will be not real. Okay, now see the second one. First you will copy the question as it is. Right? It is in the general form. Yes. Now you will compare it. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We get, what you will get? A is equals to how much here? 2. B is equals to how much here? Be careful, it is minus 7. And c is equals to how much here? 2. Now what you will say? Delta is equals to b square minus 4ac, right? Delta is equals to discriminant. B square minus 4ac is equals to delta. Now you will write b square is minus 7 square. 4 as it is. A value is 2. C value is also 2. Now square of any negative number is always positive. So 7 square is 49. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. So 49 minus 16. 9 minus 6, 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. So delta is equals to how much? 33. So delta value is more than 0. Okay, as you can write over there as delta is greater than 0. Delta की value 0 से ज़्यादा है. Delta is greater than 0. So the nature of the roots of the given quadratic equation. So the nature of the roots of the given quadratic equation it is greater than 0. 0 से ज़्यादा है. So it is real and unequal. I hope you understood how to solve this. The third sum will be homework to you. What is third sum? It is m square plus 2m plus 9 is equals to 0. So this is homework to you. Okay, you have to do homework like this only. It is very much easy. I hope you understood how to solve. So dear students, now we will see the question number 4. It is very much important, and this question comes in board exam. It is very much important. Please pay attention. Form the quadratic equation. We have to form the quadratic equation from the roots given below. One root, second root, means this will be alpha and this will be beta. Okay. See, I have written formula to form quadratic equation. So what is the formula to form quadratic equation? X square minus bracket alpha plus beta bracket complete x. It means alpha sum beta means what? Sum of the two roots. Sum means addition. Sum of the two roots. Which two roots? One is alpha, one is beta. Okay. Then after it plus alpha into beta means product of the two roots. Which two roots? Alpha multiplied by beta is equals to 0 only. This will be a quadratic equation. Okay, if you want to form a quadratic equation, this formula you should learn. That is x square minus bracket alpha plus beta bracket complete x means multiply by x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. Just look at the board here. We will consider first, let alpha and beta are the roots of the given equation, are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, is it clear? First we will consider this. Let alpha and beta are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Now you will write, therefore alpha is equals to 0 and beta is equals to 4. Alpha is equals to 0 means first one will be alpha, second one will be beta. So alpha is equals to 0 and beta is equals to 4. Now what do you want here? Sum of two roots. Okay, sum of the two roots. So you will write, therefore alpha plus beta is equals to what? Alpha value 0. 0 plus beta value 4. So what is alpha in alpha plus beta? Means sum of the two roots will be 0 plus 4, which is equals to 4, right? Now you have to write alpha into beta is equals to how much? Alpha value is 0. 0 multiplied by beta value is 4. 4 zeros are 0. Okay. Now these values of alpha plus beta is equals to 4. Alpha into beta is equals to 0. These values we will keep in this formula. See, therefore the quadratic equation will be Therefore, the quadratic equation will be, see, x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. Now you will write the value. Therefore, x minus alpha plus beta value is how much? 4 and x. Alpha into beta value is how much? 0 is equals to 0. So this is your answer. This is the quadratic equation. The quadratic equation will be this. I hope you understood how to solve. Now pay attention towards the question number 2. See, 3 and minus 10. What is the question? Form the quadratic equation. We have to form the quadratic equation. So this is the formula to form the quadratic equation. X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. What do we read this? Sum of the two roots. What do we read this? Product of the two roots. Okay. Now we will solve this. We will consider let alpha and beta are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay. Now you will consider therefore alpha is equals to 3 and beta is equals to minus 10. Okay. The first one will belongs to alpha, second one will belongs to beta. Now you will find out alpha plus beta, that sum of the two roots, 3 plus minus 10. So it is how much? 3 plus minus 10. So answer is how much? Minus 7. Is it clear? Now you will find out alpha into beta is equals to how much? Alpha value is 3 and beta value is minus 10. So 3 multiplied by minus 10 is minus 30. Is it clear? Now you will write the formula. The quadratic equation will be therefore the quadratic equation will be, what is the formula? X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. Now you will write the values. Therefore x square minus sum of the two roots is, it is minus 7. See here, be careful, this is the minus of the formula. Alpha plus beta is minus 7. So this will change. Okay. Alpha into beta is how much? Here also it is minus 30 is equals to 0. So it will change. Therefore x square plus 7 minus multiplied by minus will be plus 7x plus minus is how much? Plus multiplied by minus is minus 30 is equals to 0. So this is your quadratic equation. We form the quadratic equation with the help of this formula. X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. I hope you understood this. So dear students, now we will see the third sum and the fourth sum of question number 4. Form the quadratic equation. We have to form the quadratic equation by utilizing the formula x square minus bracket alpha plus beta bracket complete x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. Now see these two roots from the roots given below. This is first root, this is second root. So first root will be alpha, second root will be beta. Let alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation. Let alpha is equals to 1 upon 2 and beta is equals to minus 1 upon 2, right? Then we have to find the sum of the two roots. Okay, so therefore sum of the two roots alpha plus beta is equals to 1 upon 2 plus minus 1 upon 2. See this plus and this minus, they will fight with each other. So always plus minus will be minus. So 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2, it will be 0. Right? 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2, it will be 0. So therefore alpha plus beta is equals to how much? 0. Now alpha into beta, it means 1 upon 2 multiply by minus 1 upon 2. Numerator will multiply to numerator, denominator will multiply to denominator. ऊपर वाला ऊपर से, नीचे वाला नीचे से. 1 multiply by minus 1 is minus 1. 2 multiply by 2 is 4. So alpha into beta is equals to how much? Minus 1 upon 4. Clear? Then the quadratic equation will be, write down the formula x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. Now put the value. Alpha plus beta value is 0 x. Alpha into beta is how much? Minus 1 upon 4 is equals to 0, right? Now if it is 0, neglect it, omit it, usko bhul jao. So what will be? X square minus 1 upon 4 is equals to 0. This is an equation? No, there is a denominator. This is a fraction. Okay, this is a fraction. We don't want this 4. So to eliminate this 4, what we will do? As we were knowing, we will multiply the whole equation by 4. Both the sides we will multiply by 4. See, x square multiply by 4 minus 1 upon 4 multiply by 4 is equals to 0 multiply by 4. So 4x square minus this 4 and this 4 will get cancelled. It will be minus 1 is equals to 0. So this is your quadratic equation. I hope you understood. Now see the fourth one. 2 minus root 5 and 2 plus root 5. So this one will be alpha and this one will be beta. Let alpha and beta are the two roots of the quadratic equation. Let alpha is equals to 2 minus square root 5 and beta is equals to 2 plus square root 5. What we have to find the first? We have to find the first sum of the two roots, alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is 2 minus square root 5 plus 2 plus square root 5. See, this is minus square root 5, this is plus square root 5. So it will be 0. What will remain? 2 plus 2. Is it 4? I hope you understood. Now see, alpha into beta, we will multiply this to this. See, very simple. Number will multiply to number and surd will multiply to surd. So see this, 2 2s are 4, right? Minus multiply by plus will be minus. And square root 5 will multiply to square root 5. It will be pure 5. Why? Because square root 5 will multiply to square root 5. It will be square root 25. And 25 is the square of 5. So it is 4 minus 5. That is minus 1. Okay. Then the quadratic equation will be, write down the formula. X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. Put the value. Alpha plus beta value is how much? 4x. Alpha into beta value is how much? Minus 1. Be careful. Here is plus, here is minus 1. So there will be a solution, right? See, x square minus 4x plus multiply by minus will be minus 1 is equals to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. I hope you understood this. So dear students, now we will see the question number 7 because question number 5 and 6 are completely reduced from your syllabus for this year only. See the question number 7. Okay. Question number 7. The roots of each of the following quadratic equations are real and equal. The roots means the roots of the nature of the root is given. The nature of the root is real and equal. The nature of the root is real and equal. What does it mean? It means delta will be 0. Delta is equals to 0 because it is real and equal. Okay. The nature of the roots of the given quadratic equation is real and equal. It means delta is equals to 0. Then what? Find k. We have to find the k. Simple as that. Just look at the board how to solve. Okay, see, you will write the question first as it is. 3y square plus ky plus 12 is equals to 0, right? It is in a general form. Yes, so compare it. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, we get, what you will get here, just tell me. A is equals to 3. B is equals to k, right? And C is equals to how much? 12. So do you know the delta? Delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. This is delta, this is discriminant. They both will be equal. They are same, right? So delta, in this question it is given, delta must be 0. Why? Because the roots of each of the following quadratic equations are real and equal. Okay, now see, I can write here 0. Yes. B square is how much? See, it is k square minus 4. What is the value of a here? 3. What is the value of c is here? 12. Is it clear why you have written this delta 0? Delta is equals to 0. You can say it is given. Okay, delta is equals to 0 is given in the question. Now therefore you will say 0 is equals to k square minus 4 3s are 12, 12 12s are 144, right? 4 3s are 12, 12 12s are 144. Now what you will do here? Just tell me, this minus 4 will come, this minus 144 will come to the number, right? It will be 0 plus 144 is equals to k square. This will come this side. Yes or no? Yes, very simple. You can write it straight. That is k square is equals to 144. So 144 is the square of which number? 12, because it is k square. We want to find k or k square. We want to find k only. Here it is k square. So we will take by taking square root. By taking square root k, therefore k is equals to plus or minus 12. Why is it so? Because 144 is the square of plus 12 also, and 144 is the square of minus 12 also. Is it clear? If you will multiply plus 12, you will get 144. You will multiply by minus 12, you will get 144. Why? Because square of any negative number is always positive. Now we will see the second question of this. Just pay attention. The second question is k x multiply by x minus 2 plus 6 is equals to 0. Okay, so first we will write the question as it is. K x multiply by x minus 2 plus 6 is equals to 0. I think you will first multiply to it, right? You will multiply this kx to this. So you will write therefore it is kx square minus kx will multiply to minus 2 kx plus 6 is equals to 0. See, this kx will multiply to x, that will be kx square. Now this kx will multiply to minus 2, so minus 2 kx plus 6 is equals to 0. I hope you understood. Now this is a equation. Now we have to compare it, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We get, pay attention here, bx, it means here this will be your value of b. Is it clear? This will be the value of b, because x, see bx, so x ko chhod ke whatever will be, that is the value of b. Is it clear? Now you will write here, therefore a value is how much? K. B value is how much? Minus 2k. And c is how much? 6. A value is k, b value is minus 2k, because here it is bx, so x ko chhod ke, right? You have to write it. Now you will write delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. Delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. Now delta value is given, that is delta must be 0. It is given in the question. It is clear? It is given in the question, so you will write therefore it is 0. B square means how much? Minus 2k square minus 4 multiply by k multiply by 6. So simple. This is 0. Now minus 2 square is always 4. Square of any negative number is positive. That is 4k square minus 4k, 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24. 24k. Is it clear? It is very simple. See here, 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24. So the answer is, you can make it straight, that is, you can write that is 4k square minus 24k is equals to 0. So this is a straight form. Now there is a common something. Can you see the 4 is common over here? In 4 times table 24, 4 and k is common here. 4 6 are 24. Here k twice, here k once. So you can write this 4k will be common. So what we left from here? K minus 6 is equals to 0. Yes or no? Now what you will write? This multiply will go that side. So therefore k minus 6 is equals to 0 upon 4k. Okay, 0 upon 4k, because this multiply will go that side, it will divide. So therefore k minus 6 is equals to 0. Now therefore k and this will go that side. Is it clear? So 0 plus 6. So therefore k is equals to 6. I hope you understood how I have solved this. See, 0 is equals to 4k square minus 24k. We will write it straightly in general form. 4k square minus 24k is equals to 0. Here 4k is the common. See, 4k here is 24k. So 4 6 are 24. K is twice, k is 1. So 4k is common. Then what is left from here? Only k minus 4 6 are 24, right? Now this is multiply. This will go that side. So 0 upon divide for 4k. Multiply will go there, it will divide. 0 upon 4k will be 0. Now this minus 6 will go that side. It will be 0 plus 6. So k value will be 6. I hope you understood how to solve this.